Welcome back to the Automobiles Car. We're diving into the world of pure power and luxury, with the 2025 Mercedes G63 AMG, a masterpiece that's more than just a car. It's a statement. The G-Wagon has long been a symbol of luxury and off-road capability, but the 2025 model takes it to a whole new level. Let's start with the iconic exterior. The 2025 G63 AMG maintains its classic boxy silhouette, a design that hasn't changed much since its inception, and for good reason. This bold, square body style is what makes the G-Wagon instantly recognizable. It's a blend of ruggedness and refinement, with sharp lines and muscular proportions. The front end is dominated by the signature Panamericana grille, flanked by large, round LED headlamps. These lights are more than just a nod to the original G-Wagon design. They offer superior illumination and give the vehicle a timeless, yet modern look. Below the grille, you'll find aggressive air intakes that hint at the G63's impressive performance capabilities. Moving to the side, the G63's wide fenders and large 22-inch alloy wheels give it an imposing stance on the road. The squared wheel arches and black accents add to its rugged appeal, but there's also a sense of elegance here, with subtle chrome detailing along the windows and door handles. The side exhausts, a hallmark of AMG, are positioned just under the rear doors, giving the SUV a distinctive, throaty growl when you fire up that V8 engine. Around the back, the spare wheel is mounted on the rear door, another design feature that has been a staple of the G-Wagon's look. The LED taillights are sleek and modern, perfectly complementing the overall tough yet luxurious aesthetic. The large rear bumper and skid plate are a reminder that, while the G63 looks at home in the city, it's still ready to conquer any terrain. In summary, the 2025 Mercedes G63 AMG is the perfect blend of heritage and modern innovation. Its exterior design continues to set trends, balancing luxury with off-road capability, and ensuring that it remains one of the most desirable SUVs on the market.